7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so that's the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, back charge. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to be giving her a copa, so I'm going to be bring the left hand over on 1, but right away I'm making her prep, so now I'm going to unwind her to the right, pulling with the right hand. 2, 3, both hands over the head. Guys, we're going to turn 4. We're going to flick the right hand on 5. Keep turning, keep the left hand at the neck, so now we're going to go right to right and follow 6, 7. So now I'm going to be turning her on 1, staying directly in front of her. So I'm going to be pulling the right hand down. 1, 2, as soon as I have that right hand behind the back, I'm going to flick the left hand behind my head to go behind her back. 3. So now I'm going to catch the other side, bring her forward. 5. Once I bring her forward 5, let go of the right hand, pull her with the left so she turns on 6, step back on 7. So now we're both going to mambo jazz and 1. So I'm going to be bringing her forward on 2, bring her forward on 3. So now I'm going to back charge, 5, 6, 7. We're going to flip sides on 1. 1, stay close. Guys are going to hook both hands over the head. 2, so now I'm going to be turning her for a quick right with the left hand. 3, follow her on 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a copa with the prep. So we're going 1. We're going to be placing the weight back on the left foot as we turn to the right on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to be turning right away on 1 as soon as you step forward. 1, 2, 3. Now keep walking forward on 5. Have a turn to the left on 6. Then we're going to step back on 7. We're going to do a mambo jazz, so open on hand 1, forward on 2, forward on 3. Have a turn to the right. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to be turning to the left on 1, step to the side on 2, quick turn on 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.